All right, how you doing? Going to cook some steak today. Very quick and nice and easy. The first tip I can give you is if you've got your meat, whatever steak it is, whatever cut it is, in the refrigerator, take it out of the refrigerator for about 10 or 15 minutes. Just get it into room temperature. Cooking a really cold steak is not good. Let's go. Very simple. So I've got a couple of sirloins here, sirloin steaks. Had a really big piece of fat on it, so I've just trimmed it down a bit. I don't like too much fat on there. Some people love that. Just going to give it a little hammering. Just going to kind of flatten them out just a little bit. They're quite thick. Want them kind of, a bit thinner, so they cook really nice and fast. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to rub it with a little bit of garlic. Very simple. You're just going to get a little bit of pepper on there. Flip that over and do pepper the other side. Then we're going to go salt. Now some people put some sort of herbs and that on there. I don't really like to. You can kind of bash it with some fresh rosemary maybe or something like that. That's great. Then look, I've just got some garlic here, just a clove of garlic that I've cut in half. I'm just going to rub that onto the meat, so it just kind of gets a essence of it. Do you know what I mean? Like not too heavy. I'll do the other side as well. Just a nice little rub in there. You can see I've kind of flattened these out quite a bit. Then we're going to go olive oil, just a little bit, maybe, I don't know, what's that, teaspoon or so. Just do the other side, and then these are ready for the pan. I'm going to get the pan on, nice and hot, really, really hot, and stick these on. Beautiful. So look, I've got a skillet here. I've got one of these ones that has those ridges in it. I mean, neither here nor there. Just get it really, really hot. Now we've got enough oil and that on these, so let's just drop them in. And I'm really just turning them over every now and then. You just do it how you want. Some people think that's done already. These are for my kids, so I'm gonna cook them a little bit longer. Beautiful, really nice and simple. Now what I'm going to do a bit later with the fat is I'm going to sort of hold it up on there like that, so it kind of renders out and cooks. But yeah, I'll do that in a little bit. Smoking hot. Beautiful. Now I've already sort of tipped that on the side a bit, got a little bit of that done. But yeah, what you want to do is just hold it like that, hold it down in there. It'll render out really quite quickly. These are nearly done. Like I say, do your steak exactly how you want. Rare, well done, up to you, anywhere in between. All right, off goes the heat. I'm super happy. Let's get them out onto a plate. Okay, the kitchen is full of smoke here. Now, on the plate, leave them for 5 minutes. Let them rest. You'll get some moisture come out of them. It'll kind of even it out. Beautiful. Okay, so I've just left that 3 or 4 minutes. You can leave it 5 minutes or so. You can see, look, we've got all those juices out of there. That's kind of distributed nicely. Let's have a little look in there, shall we? And that, nice little bit of pink there. I'm happy with that. My kids are happy with that. Fantastic, beautiful. Okay, so there you go. Beautiful, easy steak. Cook it how you like. Like I say, I like that little pink in there. Some people like it really well done. Some people like it obviously really rare. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.